Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Snapchat SS04 and SS02 locked account issue. Let's get started. So if your account is temporarily locked, Snapchat usually lifts the lock after 24 hours, so wait it out. After that, open up your browser. Inside the search bar, search for help.snapchat.com and then simply tap on I cannot access my account or my account is locked and submit an appeal. After you do that, head back to your home screen, open up settings. Inside settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, search for Snapchat and then tap onto it. Just like that, tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to clear the cache but keep your data safe. After that, you can simply contact Snapchat support team. Open up the browser again, then tap on contact us and just like that explain your issue about what you are facing. Now, lastly, make sure to follow Snapchat guideline and avoid third-party app to prevent future issues. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.